Good day, my love stones. I am back with another tutorial. This time this will be on mixing braiding colors, y'all. So in this video I used the color Pebble. I used it in a 58-inch because it didn't have 48-inch. I also used the number 27, which is a blind, my number 4, which is a lighter brown color, and I will be using the 613 on this morning. Y'all, these 4 colors are so beautifully mixed. I have the 613, the number 4, the 27, and the Pebble. You want to first start beginning mixing 2 colors first, because sometimes if it's 4 bundles in your hand, it may be a little too much. So you want to make sure you get that good mix. Here I am mixing the Pebble and the number 27 together. And then once you get a good mix on those colors separately, you want to take and combine them all, and you can start mixing those 4 colors together. So whenever you're mixing, remember you want to make sure that you get the chunks of the color out, so you will have to keep crossing the hair over to the other hand, mixing the hair. If you haven't already, I need you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all who have subscribed already and who is watching my tutorials. I appreciate each and every one of you. We are on the road to 5K, so let's get it, y'all. I would tell y'all that as a braider, this is a good service to add to your booking site, because mixing color takes a while, okay? And I would say to go ahead and have the client's hair pre-mixed before they come, because it takes about a good 20 minutes to mix the hair. So I do charge extra for mixing hair on my booking site. Again, like I said, this will be something good to add to your link as far as mixing colors, because it's a job, y'all. I think that this is a good summer color for the summer, y'all. So look into mixing these colors and let me know what you think in the comments below.
That we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like.
Let's get into these final results, y'all. To me, it's giving like a ash, and see where you see some chunks in the hair. So what I'll do is I'll take my paddle brush and brush the hair so you can see the chunks. And then, like I said, if you see the chunks of color, you want to make sure you go in and take the chunks out. As you can see right here, I'm splitting it. I'm going to cross it over to my other hand, and I'll split it again just to get those big chunky highlights out. You want to make sure that it's blended very well. Look at those colors, y'all. Oh my god, oh my god. What do I want to call this? A ash brown. Beautiful, 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 y'all. I thank each and every one of you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.
It was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.